Hello. I decided I want to start making videos again. It's something that brings me joy and I used to love doing it as a kid, and you know, 2022 is the time to go back to things I love doing and anything that brings me joy. So yeah, I did some toner with my beauty counter, some Pond's moisturizer, and I went in with my glow screen that's tinted, and that's the base for everything else that's about to go on. I still use the same Fit Me Maybelline concealer. I've been using the Ilia foundation. This one has SPF 40. What I do is I just dab some on my hand like that much. Take that, put it where I want it. So today, I don't really have any plans, and those are the best kind of days because I get to just fill it in with a bunch of random stuff I want to do. And usually I like trying out new things, but I'm also very routine heavy, and if there's somewhere I like, I'm gonna go to it every weekend, order the same thing, and kind of put that on repeat. Probably should do my eyebrows. I've realized eyebrows are kind of the make or break situation for me. If my eyebrows aren't done, yeah, there's no recovering from that really. All I do is just kind of like take this Wet n Wild stick and form some sort of shape that makes sense. I've been liking bronzer lately, which I used to neglect. I use the light medium stick by Makeup by Mario and just go 1, 2, and then you take the other side and just kind of blend it out. I think the point of it is just to act like I have color on my skin instead of pasty white. And then this is my new blush that I bought from Flower Beauty. It's a flower, and the color is Spiced Petal. Do that. Some on the nose. And that's that. What do I want to do today? I don't know. I think I might go to this used bookstore that I love. They have this really adorable cat that works there. Point of doing anything for me is more so driving around. I live in my car listening to music, podcasts. A car is kind of like this invincible bubble. I'm gonna do the They're Real Benefit Mascara, and I like to concentrate on the ends. Real Her lip liner. It's called I'm Confident. It's this nice brown, and I just kind of smudge it. I have Pillow Talk here. I'll just dab it on. I'm gonna get dressed. Let's pick out an outfit together. So we ended up here. I have this Aritzia dress on, and these are my shoes. The leg warmer trend is pretty big right now, but if you don't want to do full-on leg warmers, you could do little socks like this. And that's my dog if you hear him. I made it to my car. It's actually the windiest day in California ever. I'm feeling like I really want to read my Eckhart Tolle book, so I think I might go to a coffee shop. Okay, we made it. I parked a bit far so that we can take a nice walk there, so let's do that. So that was extremely relaxing. I also stopped by the boutique next door because I've always wanted to, and there's these slip dresses I saw in the window that I wanted to try, but unfortunately it was too big on me, so I said no and walked away. So a slight change of plans. I went home, I changed. It's pretty cold out, so I wanted to wear pants. and I decided to go to that used bookstore. So this is where we are right now. Back in the car. That was really nice. I didn't get to hang out with too many cats. They were busy being pet by other people, but I did get through a lot of my book, and I'm reading The New Earth by Eckhart Tolle right now, and oh, the lighting. Just about the ego and how humans are just so attached to things and attached to putting meaning to the self. And how letting go of a lot of things and letting go of your ego can bring peace. I'm just kind of getting into it. I think I made it to 100 pages so far, but it is good. I'm underlining any phrases that I want to remember, and I always do that with books. I think it's really nice to be able to flip through later on and kind of get those quotes that you like. Made it home. I bought some stuff, and I will do a little haul for you guys shortly. And I'm still drinking my chai from this morning. I have a problem with buying coffee products and not finishing them ever. Still pretty good though. Okay, so this is the first two things. The main reason why I went into Aritzia is to get a pair of long shorts. These are the Yoko pair from Denim Forum. And then I have the TNA Bergman tank also on. Honestly, just super simple, but I've been realizing that I prefer just buying really simple stuff that fits well. So next I got this super cozy waffle knit white long sleeve. Yeah, nothing too special about it, but it's just something I know I'm gonna wear over and over again. Okay, so last thing from Aritzia is this bodysuit. It's super flattering and like a really cute gray color. I just paired it with these shorts that I thought were cute. These are from Princess Polly. I got them pretty recently also. So first thing from Brandy is just this cute little baby tee. It's brown and black stripes. Nothing crazy about it, but I just like how it fit. Last item is this kind of like stone blue t-shirt, also from Brandy. It fits super nice and the color is awesome. So that concludes my first day of filming. I think it went pretty well. I still have to look through all the footage and see how shitty of a job I did. It was fun. I kind of felt like I was in my own little world, and I'm excited to look back on these short little videos and kind of reminisce on the small things that I probably take for granted day to day. I think that it's nice to kind of romanticize your life in a way, so I hope this gives me the ability to do that. I think I'm gonna end the night by just watching a movie.
I don't care about whoever I'm marrying, whoever this hot woman or man or